Hey guys, welcome to Tech's Guru tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to deactivate our Snapchat account, and now let's dive right in. Now to deactivate your Snapchat account, first open the Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to deactivate. Now in order to proceed from this interface, at the top left corner of the screen guys, you can see there is your Bitmoji icon or your profile picture icon. Tap on there, and on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on over there. Now guys, scroll down to the bottom of this list, and before we proceed guys, you need to know a thing, that is we'll be deactivating our Snapchat account with the deletion process. So to do that, tap on my data over here, and you can see the manage account option available for us at the top left corner of the screen, just below the my data. Tap over there where it says the manage account, and over here guys, that being said, again we are going to deactivate our Snapchat account with the deletion process, but it will be deactivated for 30 days, and after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. Do make sure to retrieve your account before 30 days. Until then your account will be deactivated. So in order to do that, tap on the delete my account button available over here just above the logout. And over here guys, you can see on the second paragraph it says your account will be deactivated, and read that information. And after that it also says after 30 days your account will be deleted. So before that gets done, make sure to retrieve your account. And with that being said guys, scroll down a little bit and enter your password over here of your account, and after that tap on continue, and on the next step your account will be deactivated. And there guys, this is how you deactivate your Snapchat account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.